Welcome back, you creators, to part 2 of our series on designing a complete robotic arm. In the first video, we built the foundation together, laying the cornerstone by designing the arm's base. Today, we're continuing the build by designing another pivotal component, one that's just as crucial as the base. But this time, I have a fun little challenge for you. I'm not going to tell you the name of this part. I'm leaving that to you. I want you to watch the design process closely, and based on its shape and the function that will become clear, I want you to guess its correct name. Pop your guesses down in the comment section below. And now, are you ready for the challenge? Let's get designing. And there we have it. Our mystery component for today is complete. We've just added another vital piece to our robotic arm project. Now that you've seen the full design and its intricate details, do you have a clearer idea of what this part is called and what it does? Don't forget to write your final guesses in the comments. In the next video, we'll reveal the correct name and see who was right before we move on to the next part of our arm. If you enjoyed this challenge and found the tutorial helpful, please support the channel by pressing the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see part 3. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll